Dear students, once again I am coming in front of you to teach the class 9 on behalf of Skeppy online classes. Today we are going to discuss the properties of matter. Properties of matter depends upon the character of the particles. And we are going to physical property. Now here one thing we should know, the properties of the matter is given on the basis of a theory called kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter. Now what is kinetic theory of matter? Kinetic means motion. Kinetic means motion. So that means this property depends on the motion of the particles. So that is why this theory is known as kinetic theory of matter, because these properties are decided on the basis of the movement of the particles. Okay. So on the basis of the kinetic theory of matter, the first property, what we know, that all matter comprises of very small particles. That you can confirm by dissolving certain thing into it, like you can take the example of sugar, potassium permanganate, put into the water, and you will find that all the particles available in these ingredients vanishes. That means these crystals which you are putting into the water get dissociated, splits up into a smaller fragment. Ultimately it becomes so small that it is not visible to our eye. So on this basis we say that all matter comprises of small particles. Now in doing this experiment, we have observed there is no rise in the level of the water in a glass, even after addition of the sugar particle, potassium permanganate or salt. That means where does these particles goes? These particles must have been accommodated into the empty space between the water particles. So on this observation we say that these particles have spaces in between them. This is the second properties of the matter. Now the third, particles are continuously moving. Particles are continuously moving. You can observe this one by using a very small, like a very light particles, light matters, like a pollen grains. You might have a study about the pollen grains available in flower. Put certain number of pollen grains over the still water. अब स्टील वाटर मीन्स अस्थिर पानी के ऊपर पोलन ग्रेन को हम डालते हैं, देन यू विल फाइंड व्हाट इट डज. दिस पोलर ग्रेन स्टार्ट्स dancing over the surface of the water. How does it dance? Because these pollen grain particles are continuously attacked by the water particle, and that is why it changes its position. So due to the bombardment or the collision with the water particle, this pollen grain starts